As you grow and develop your shop's digital marketing, ensuring it's optimized for your local market is a key step in connecting with your customers online and in maps or direction apps. The first step in local optimization is ensuring consistency across your digital listings. Ensuring that your business name, address, and phone number appear the same across all internet listings, you avoid the risk of inaccurate information being circulated and potentially hurting your online traffic and rankings. Accurate listings across all local search directories like Google Maps, Bing Places, and even on navigation services like Apple Maps is crucial. Extending this to vehicle GPS devices and all other local listing sites enhances your business's local search engine optimization. This also extends to AI searches, where the large language model can pull your information from anywhere online during its training. We help automate this process by cleaning up your business's online footprint and optimizing your local listings to ensure complete, current, and consistent business data that helps you get noticed. As you grow and develop your shop's digital marketing, ensuring it's optimized for your local market is a key step in connecting with your customers online and in map or direction apps. Connect with our AutoShop marketing professionals and boost your local SEO performance.